One Simple Thing. One Simple Thing is back, everyone, and we're going to be learning additional techniques to do just one thing. Slow it down. Just enjoy the journey of creating your journals and making it easier, not feeling overwhelmed. So One Simple Thing is a junk journal series I started in December, and everyone really liked it and appreciated the prompts that I gave you. So this series, I have written up the prompts on a reference page that will be available on my Ko-Fi site. If you would like to download it, follow along, keep track. It's kind of like a checklist or prompt. I will be creating the first series. This is series 2. I probably should have noted that on here. This is series 2. So series 1, I may go back and fix that. Just put a little note on here so that you know which series it is. But today our series is use one scrap on a page. So I thought I would get out my old Winter Wonderland little journal that we created last year. And it's really pretty. Used some fun, I believe these from Nature's Lace. I'm trying to remember. I don't even remember which kit this was. I'll have to go look. But anyway, you can see how fun it is just to add the different looks to your pages and how to use little pieces from your kits and everything. So what I'm going to do is add one scrap. So this is a good size scrap here, and it can just change the look of the page. So I'm just going to take a little ink and go around the edges of my scrap. We'll make it a pocket. Just one scrap. And then we're just going to bring in this blue. We're just going to make it corner to corner. And that just will offset that scrap that we're working with. And we're just going to make this a pocket. That's easy enough. And you could make it anything you want. And it doesn't have to be a scrap of paper. It could be fabric, lace, any kind of scrap that you have. So we're just going to make this a simple pocket to go on our page here, and then it can be embellished more later. I can stop here. I don't have to finish the whole page. And then you can see I created a pocket, draw some interest to the page, and I can finish it later. So that's your one simple thing for today. Just a tiny piece of paper, lace, fabric is enough to add interest and meaning to a page. So just to give yourself permission just to do the one scrap. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. That's today's One Simple Thing, and have a great one.